Endure sent me these gloves and they are great quality. I have run a small business and I make a lot of magnets and I get super glue and wood glue all over my hands all the time and paint. So having something that I can use to prevent that helps tremendously. This is a size large. I'm 5'9", so my fingers follow suit. I have really long fingers and these fit me perfectly. The large does, and that tracks with other brands that I have tried, which is great. They are latex free, which I think is important. I don't use latex. I also have a cousin who's allergic to latex, so it makes a big difference. And I love that they're powder free. I hate the powder stuff when they're in gloves. So having them latex free is a definite bonus. I haven't had any rip on me yet using my projects. I'm sure they would if I was using like an expo knife or something like that. And I've also used them to dye my daughter's hair, and I have not had any like slit through and get, purple, black, blue, whatever color on my fingers yet either. So these gloves are really high quality. I'm definitely impressed with them. They sent me large and extra large. My husband fits in the extra large, and I fit in the large. They are perfect gloves. They are non sterile, but they work perfectly for what we need them to in our wood business. He goes through, he makes cutting boards and stuff like that. So and stain. So he uses them mostly to keep the stain off of his hands because it's really hard to get off in wood glue. And we've had no problems with them like tearing with just the slightest touch, which was a really big deal. So awesome, awesome gloves. And they work perfectly for what I need them for. They have been a blessing, and I usually only wear one because this is my right hand. I'm right-handed, and this is the hand that I always end up getting everything on. So they last me a really long time because I only have to wear one every time. So great gloves, definitely recommend them.